Está bueno. Ay, puta, me van a robar. Me van a robar, se me bajo el volumen.
Jump, twist, up, down, left, right, in, out, jump, twist, up, down, left, right, in, out, jump, twist. I'm gonna get redonkulous. Up, down, left, right. I'm gonna move my feet tonight. I'm gonna show my funky side like nobody's watching. In, out, jump, twist. Bumping a beat I can't resist. So I'm gonna get redonkulous like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Up, down, left, right, in, out, jump, twist. Up, down, left, right, in, out, jump, twist. Up, down, left, right, in, out, jump, twist. I'm gonna get ridiculous. If you're alone on stage, here's a piece of good news. Having nothing to show means having nothing to lose. So now you like talent shows. Nope, totally dying. But as long as we're toast, there's nothing we won't be trying. Start with what you've got. Well, I have this kazoo. I'm light on the skills. Don't worry, I've got a few. I'm also light on flips. Try a shot from above. And if I forget the words, try la 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 something. La 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 something isn't really a plan. Okay, don't panic. Check the time. Real and capable hands. Did you say capable hands? Yes, I said capable hands. That's what I thought. Why don't we shake on this jam?
Míralo.
Fireworks! How did you do that? I just got lucky. How do we get through them? Dance through them. I knew I liked you.
No te lo puesto yo. ¡Pinche música de mierda!
No can do. It's one piece per person. But I haven't had a piece. Yes, you did. It says right here, Olympia. How? This isn't working. What isn't? This. Now, 2 Olympias, the lost gadget, the lost card, you eating my cake. Thought I could do it, but I can't. So, well, it was nice working with you.
I don't know.
You're leaving. Me? No. I was here first. Take some cake for the road? Oh, I'm not going anywhere. Well, neither am I. Guess there's only one option. In this corner, Olympia! And in this corner, Olympia! Odd squad rules state the winner of the name-off gets to keep her name. The loser gets a new name. And my name is Coach O no matter what. You'll face a series of challenges. The one who gets more points will be the winner. First challenge, Animal Clap Showdown. Panda cat dog, panda cat dog, cat, panda cat, whale. Panda cat dog, panda cat dog, cat, panda cat dog, panda cat, fox. Panda cat dog, panda cat dog, panda cat, whale. Well, as a repeat, winner! The no talking challenge. How does this work? Winner! Find a needle in a haystack. Winner! Find a haystack in a needle. I found it. Winner! The score is tied. It all comes down to our most exciting, most thrilling competition. You need to figure out the temperature of water in your bucket. You can use any tool you want except the thermometer. Go! How am I supposed to do this? Without a thermometer? Hi, hands Harry. Harry, come down here. Come on.
Let me guess. You need to use my hands to melt some chocolate for a fondue party?
Oddly specific, but no. I need you to put your hands in that bucket. What are you doing? Well, water boils at 100 degrees. So as soon as the water starts to boil, I'll know what the temperature is without using a thermometer.
Vecino.
This water is boiling. That means it's 100 degrees. 100 degrees is correct. The winner is Olympia. Yay! I get to keep my name. Congratulations, Olympia. Thanks, Sorry, what's your name now? Right here. The rule states ought to be